Welcome to Josna's channel, and this is how I do it. So today I'm going to show you how to clean your kitchen platform quickly, easily after each meal. So let's start it right away. I made besan chikki and dhokla today, and my kitchen platform is full of utensils. You can see it's been so bad, and I'm going to show you how to clean it faster. And let's do it right away. First thing, we'll have to clear up the platform. All the vessels and things should go back to their place. In this spray bottle, I have 1 tablespoon of Vim with 2 glasses of water mixed, and this is just a spray bottle I'm using. Don't use a pesticide spray bottle. And I'm going to show you what we are going to do next. This is going to be there for almost a whole month of it, and we have to just spray and clean it, and I'll show you how fast it cleans and helps to maintain a sparkling kitchen. If there are any oil spills like these, you can just use a tissue and wipe the oil spills first so that the cloth doesn't get dirty. Use a banyan cloth usually, because old banyan cloths are super absorbent and they are easy to clean and absorb all the moisture. Look at my gas stove. I used it so much since morning that I need to wipe it clean before evening, because it's lunchtime right now. So I'm just using a tissue to wipe it first and remove all the particles from it. So I'm using my spray. That I made with Vim. You can use any detergent liquid. Just 1 tablespoon and 2 glasses of water. Just mix it, shake well. Look at that. So it took me just 2 minutes, and if you do it then and there, it doesn't get greasy too much. So my gas stove is done. Let's move on to the, look at that. It's all sparkling clean. Can you see the shine on it? So gas stove is done. It just took 2 minutes for me. Now let's move on to the kitchen platform. So if the food is around, you have to moisten this cloth, spray this solution on it, and see that the particles don't fall in the food. So this is the way you do it. Or else you can directly spray it at the lower level on the kitchen platform and then wipe it clean. Now look at this. It's sparkling clean. The same way we are going to wipe the whole of our kitchen. Oh God. So I'm again spraying some liquid here, and I'm going to wipe it. So we cleaned it thoroughly, and you can see my kitchen platform is sparkling clean. And again, let us see the wash basin. It is clean, and there are no utensils in it, and it's all this kitchen is ready for my evening dinner time. So it is all clean, and you really feel very pleasant when you start cooking. Also keep wiping my appliances. That's why they look clean. Can you see the mixer, grinders, and this is the KitchenAid thing. So they are all clean. Look at the refrigerator. It is also sparkling clean. So let us keep our kitchens clean and insect free. One important tip I would give to all the people who work in the kitchen for lunch, dinner, they should clean the kitchen then and there while cooking, and whenever you need cooking time, like your pressure cooker is on, you get nearly 10 to 15 minutes time. Meanwhile, you can clean up the kitchen platforms and keep them clean, so your kitchens are always insect free. Because of the leftover foods or food particles, you find more and more insects attracted in your kitchen. So let's keep it clean and let's be happy.